Hey, it's Robert M. Saltness, Product Marketing Engineer here at Nordic Semiconductor. I am excited to show you the Nordic Thingy 53, a multi-sensor, multi-protocol wireless prototyping platform. The form factor is well known from our previous Thingy 52 and Thingy 91, but this time we've added some completely new features. At the core of the Thingy, you'll find an nRF5340, our flagship dual-core wireless system on chip. It is our most powerful SoC to date. In addition to having 1 MB of flash storage and 512 KB of RAM on the main application core, it also has a separate core for wireless connectivity. Both cores are ARM Cortex M33, running at up to 128 and 64 MHz respectively. This gives the Thingy 53 capabilities never seen before in an application like this. With the nRF21540 RFM adding range extension features and the NPM 1100 PMIC handling charging of the internal battery, the Thingy 53 featured 3 different types of IC from Nordic Semiconductor all at once. The Thingy 53 also features a wealth of different sensors. The environmental sensor measures the temperature, humidity, gas and pressure surrounding the Thingy. This is useful in home automation or machine learning applications that alert the user or control other applications based on environmental conditions. We have a magnetometer that can be used as a Hall effect sensor and color and light sensor behind the clear plastic eye in the casing. The 6-axis inertial measurement unit can be used as a gyroscope and accelerometer to give an application awareness of the Thingy's orientation. And the additional low power accelerometer and the MEMS microphone have the ability to wake the nRF5340 from sleep, allowing for creating ultra low power applications that only run the nRF5340 when there are actual inputs to process. All these sensors can be taken advantage of when collecting data for or running inferencing on embedded ML models directly on the Thingy 53. The processing power and memory size of the nRF5340 SoC inside the Thingy 53 allows it to run ML models. Together with our friends over at Edge Impulse, we have developed a mobile app for seamlessly integrating the Thingy 53 with Edge Impulse Studio, entirely wirelessly over Bluetooth LE. You can collect data and wirelessly transfer them to the cloud. Train your model in Edge Impulse's cloud and then transfer it, wirelessly of course, back to the Thingy for deployment and inferencing, using the app as a GUI. The Thingy 53 comes pre-installed with firmware to work with the nRF Edge Impulse app. But if you want to replace the firmware on the Thingy, this also can be done completely wirelessly through the nRF Programmer app. For instance, you could download the Matter weather station sample that we showcased on the Thingy 53 at CES 2022. We've also made some quality of life improvement to the physical design of the Thingy 53. We've added this handy little flap on the bottom of the casing to allow direct access to the power switch and all external connections of the Thingy. We've also added a 4-pin JST connector that's compatible with standards like Quick, Groove and Stemma to allow easy integration with external accessories. This little slot is for debug and measurement board that is delivered with every Thingy 53. This allows you to access debug and current measurement pins on the Thingy's SoC and PMIC to make debugging and power profiling with external tools much easier. As an example, you could use this board to connect the Power Profiler Kit 2 to your Thingy 53. This port also might be used for additional accessory boards from Nordic Semiconductor in the future. To learn more about the Nordic Thingy 53 and maybe get one for yourself, visit nordicsemi.com/Thingy53. If you have any questions or need help getting started, contact our excellent technical support team through devzone.nordicsemi.com. Thanks for watching.